Maria Mbemba, Abwe Batel. Boba na kibeni, ane mpasiko. Ane kumputu mambu mabalo kiri. Kiampu kitabu kiri. Amunderi dasu kiri. Yeah. Kuntu kiri kumakuyi. Kuikwenda mambu masakiri. Kumputu kiampu kitabu kiri bayari. Yeah, bisukiri.
Hey, Yamemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama boka.
Beno bale kibimpanga na bisakiri. Kumputu minderi baba tukiri kulondi kiampu kibui baya yeah, bisukiri.
Hey, Yamemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama boka.
Abayai, marimwangazi, wike yanga batase, wanguri pindi, tamangwana, wiko ganga kabawaku, wike yanga pimba kabo bana, wiko ganga pimba kabo bana, tukiri kumakuiri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumputu kiampu kitabu bayai, beya bisukiri.
Hey, Yamemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama ponga.
Abale. Yeah. Amenu Madagascar. Yeah. Julio Rack from Madagascar, s'il vous plaît. Oh yeah. Maria, Maringwakati, wike yanga batasea, makuri mbindi, kamangwana, wiko ganga kabawaku. Hey, Yambemba, hey, Yambemba. Kundu kiri kumakuiriri, kuikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kiampu kitabuki, bayai, lufa lungandi.
Hey, Yamemba, mambo nkame. Hey, Yamemba, Yesu bisukiri mama ponga. Maria Mbemba lukale. Maria Mbemba lukale. Maria Mbemba lukale.
Unale.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Makelekele.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Mama, kuna ntona mbata.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Ukisantu kuna levu.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Kuna boku yaya.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Maria Mbemba lukale.
Kuna boku.
Maria Mbemba lukale. Maria Mbemba lukale. Maria Mbemba lukale.
Valérie. Pour vous, mesdames et mesdemoiselles. Isabelle Gonzalez. Parce qu'on est en Europe, hein, c'est la femme d'abord. Kuna beaucoup. Mama kuna ntona bata. Ukisantu kuna lempu. Kuna ngiringa. Ukipakuyaya. Selembao, kitoki mosi. Moussa, Burkina Faso. Colin Laroche, France. Quel mélange. Et le chef du groupe qui aime faire beaucoup de bruit, les abracadabra. Emile Biayenda from Congo Brazza. Et nous sommes du même clan. Il est mon Congo, moi aussi je suis mon Congo. La langue que nous chantons, c'est le Kikongo, qui va du Gabon, Congo Brazza, Congo Kinshasa et l'Angola. Cela ne veut pas dire que nous sommes régionalistes. C'est la culture. Et voilà le Mangwana Band international. Yeah. Mama kuna ntona mbaka. Ukisantu kuna le.
Hello. Hello, brother. Are you there? you there? Sorry, we're having some technical issues. Give me 1 minute.
Kiambote Tatampanzo.
Kiambote Nengwatadiwa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Welcome. 1 minute. Give me
I'm trying to fix my camera.
Just remove my. Yes. You can see my camera. My camera is this one. It live pictures. I mean live video. Towns, all towns. Tuton de Lengiza Mbote. Give 1 minute. Tuton de. Oh, okay. I can't change on. Okay. Yes. Tuton de Lengiza Mbote. I think that because the clock went ahead forward yesterday, so I mean this morning, early morning. So it's early for many people. I was calling Tata David, yes, and the couple from Los Angeles. I think Brother Kwasi, are you there, Brother Kwasi? Can you hear me, Brother Kwasi? Are you there? Let me just try to add him.
Yes.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me, brother? Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I think we need to start. Yeah, Tuton Dele. We're going back to basics, numbers, Kikongo numbers. Eh? Kikongo numbers.
I know them.
Yeah, let me just. Kiambote, if you are watching, we thank you very much. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon. Who can help me? Name what you are?
Oh, the Democratic Republic of Congo and the Republic of Congo.
Tutonde, well done. Let me just display my. 1 minute. Where is it? Yes. Brother, I need to, if we can read for me. I mean, we're going back to the same, quickly. Same lesson. Tata Kwasi, can you read Kikongo, please?
Kiambote, how are you?
Kiambote, how are you? Oh, sorry. It is freezing my computer. Okay, I can't help it. Sorry. Okay. The second one.
Tata.
Tata. Thank you very much.
Tata.
Well done. This one.
Nengwa.
Nengwa. Again, please.
Nengwa.
Yes, Nengwa, yes. Elo.
Elo.
Yes, Elo means yes.
Elo.
Thank you. Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Yes, yes, indeed. Ve. Ve.
Ve. Ve.
Tutunde, yes.
I just want to write down the meaning, right?
Okay, this one. Be careful, please.
No.
Sorry?
Ingeta means what?
Salakiambote. Oh, okay, let me go back.
Sorry?
Sorry, brother. Let me what was it? Ingeta, yes,
me.
indeed. Yeah, yes, indeed. Salakiambote.
Salakiambote.
Salakiambote, thank you. if you can read the English, I mean, goodbye, but you saying to person
Goodbye.
leaving. I mean, you saying to person staying, who is staying. Kambote, Nengwa Gardens.
Kiambote.
Zambote.
I'm sorry, it's early in Los Angeles, yes?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's around 9 o'clock, 9:12.
oh yeah, Sunday, very early. Thank you very much for the time.
Yeah,
Good.
Ardre's coming.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes. Mm, okay. When the Kambote,
Sala Kiambote.
when
Wenda
the
Kiambote.
Kambote, yes. When the Kambote, you say that said by person staying, you are leaving, say Sala Kambote, then say to you, when the Kambote. Nusa la Kambote to many people, or senior,
Nusala Kiambote.
well done, Sala Kambote, yes. Nuenda Kambote to many people, yes.
Wenda Kiambote.
Tondele. Okay, yeah. I think sister, you're fine with this one, yeah? Just went back because of brother was not there.
No, no, I remember this.
Yeah, you're fine. Yeah. Kediambuko. Mm. No worries. I mean, that's my
Kiliambuko.
Kediambuko. Thank you. Diambote, good.
Diambote. Good.
Remember, we have, I think last time I did try to explain it. Diambote, give me a minute. We have two words here, dia and mbote. Nengote, do you remember? Yes. Mbote.
The two words. The two
Yes.
words.
This
There
is
is one
Kikongo.
word. Bote is
You write
another word.
Kikongo. Diambote. Diambote. Could be Kiambo. I mean, these are prefixes. Yeah? Kiambote. Mambote. Yes, the root is mbote. Yes, it could be diambote, kiambote, mambote. Yes, tutondele. Away, mm, away,
Away.
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 Good, thank you. Akwei, where?
Okay.
Oh, Nengwa, it's gone. Okay, akwei.
Okay.
Short is kwe. Kwe is short. Kwe. 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 Ekumanki.
Ekumanki.
Thank you. Kewaukwe, is it? That's
This one
right.
is new. No, this is
Kewaukwe.
Kiwauke.
Kewaukwe. Sansuka.
Sansuka.
Remember, sister, why do we say Sansuka? I mean, traditionally, originally, the Congo people, why do they say Sansuka? To whom? The sister can.
Two babies or really young
Yes,
children.
yes. So it is a blessing, yeah. Thank you. Sansuka. Undoloka, the verb here is loloka, to forgive.
Ondoloka.
Undoloka.
Doloka.
Let me just try to highlight that.
Ondoloka.
It's very important here. This is a bit peculiar. This is Kikongo. Here, my computer is freezing. Remember, you, this is second singular. Yeah? Remember, last time we learned about personal pronoun, you. This one, you, then N here, ndo, is your first person. Basically, you're saying, you forgive me, yes? Is it clear on this, sister? Undoloka.
Yes,
You
undoloka.
have you have two personal pronouns. I mean, the other one is hidden, but it's not there. But you have, oh sorry, you have your you as in English second singular. Then ND, remember the tone, or the tone is always the first person.
Doloco. Doloco.
Yeah. Away over Vele. Away over Vele.
Away over Vele.
Away
Away
over
over
Vele.
Vele.
What did you say? Remember the O, the first O is, I mean, it is your second, I don't want to confuse, but it is a second person, yes? In this case. Away over Vele. So
Away over
if
Vele.
I were to say, sorry, if I were to say second plural, then Cadence, you can look, you can check your note. Second plural. I want to say you many. What did you say? You many. Begin with L. L. Yeah.
Oh, it would be a way. Luvovale.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, well look over. Yeah. Okay, rhetoric then. First person, first plural.
It would be away to Vovale.
Well done, bravo. Yes. Away to Vovele. Yes. Tutondele. Kiwidiko. What is to hear? Kiwidiko. That's a question. Can you try, please? It's long vowel. Remember, kiwidiko. Kiwidiko. Again, please.
Kiwidiko.
Kiwidiko. Yeah.
Kiwidiko.
Yes. Ekumbwame. The question will be ekumbwa kunani. Then you answer ekumbwame so and so. Let me just go quick to going to the numbers. Yeah. Let me just go display. Thank you very much. Let me just try to find. My camera is live picture. This is a live video. Which town? This is in New York. Can you see my camera? Okay, let me just numbers. Are you give numbers, sister?
Not as good. I don't think I even have that in my notes. I don't think.
Don't worry. You don't try to display it. Oh, Ningwa said you. I'm not sure. Maybe the. Let me see. Okay. Let me just try to display. Here you are, sister. Yeah, can you try to read, please?
That does look familiar.
Can you try to
but
read,
I can't see the first word though.
Pavala. Yeah, Pavala.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Samwadia, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
Well done. Thank you very much.
I have to write that down.
No, I'll send you the file. No, I'll send the file.
Okay.
Yeah, Tambwadia. You could say Tambwadi. It's same thing. Brother, question, can you try to read, please? From 0.
Sorry.
10. Can you try to read? Can you see my screen? Numbers. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
The first word is Pavala. Pavala means 0.
Mpavala. Mpavala. Mosi. Zole. Tatu. Ya. Tanu. Sambanu. Sambwadia. Nana. Wa. Kumi.
Well done. Yeah, this is a Congo number. Does it remind you of your numbers? Numbers on any dialects where you are, no? How do you say one in where you are in Trinidad?
We say one.
How do you say one?
We just say one.
Oh no, I mean in the local language, not English. Other language.
English is all we speak, really.
Sorry. Okay, thank you. You're all right. Okay. Okay, let us move. Are we okay? Let me just. Sorry, my screen is freezing. This computer is. Yes. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Sambanu, Sambwaja, Nana, Vakumi. Yeah, can I remove my screen? I'm going to test you.
Yeah, sure.
Let me just give you a chance to brother. Hello, brother. How are you?
Oh, pretty good. How are you doing?
Good, good. Thank you very much for your time. I know it's Sunday, but we need to honor our ancestors, yes?
Yes.
We need to honor them. Very important. Yes. Do you remember your numbers, Tata Oli?
I do have the numbers. Yeah, I did write the numbers down. I
Yeah,
don't
okay.
I don't know them by heart, but I am familiar with it.
Don't worry, don't worry. Can you read from 0 to 10, please? Pavala,
Uh,
yes?
yes. Uh, Pabla, Mosi,
Pavala.
Impabala,
Mm,
Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu,
mhm.
Sambanu,
Samban.
and in Sambudia,
Be
Nana.
careful. Sorry, careful. Tambua, the N, you don't read N. N is there for your nasal.
Okay.
Tambuadia. You don't say
Uh,
N instead. No, Tambuadia, please. Again, please.
Somebodia,
Mm-hmm.
is it somebody or sambu? Somebodia,
Tambuadia.
somwadia,
Mm-hmm.
Nana, Vua, Kumi.
Yes. Pavala, Musi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Tambwadia, you could say somebody, Tambwadia, Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Yeah, I noticed that in the I think it was the Kikongo Bible.
Okay. Okay. Can I remove my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can remember this one up to 5, yeah? 0 to 5. Pavala, Musi. Yes. Sister, over to you, please.
Me?
Yes, please. Pavala, yes, 0.
Oh, you want me to say all of them?
Yeah, try to
Oh,
up to 5.
okay.
Can you say?
Um,
Then the brother's going to
Pavala,
carry on to 10.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole,
Zole. Mm,
Tatu,
mm,
Ya,
mm.
Tanu.
Yeah, well done. Yes, bravo. Who can help us from 6 to 10? Sambanu. Yes. Brother Adri, Sambanu.
I was just getting ready to write them down.
Sambanu.
Sambanu,
Sambuadia.
Sambadia, I'm trying to,
Nana.
Nana,
Mm, Voa.
Vua,
Kumi.
Kumi.
Let me display it again. Let me just try to test brother Kwesi. Are you there, brother Kwesi?
I'm good.
Yeah, can you try from 1 to at least up to 5? From 0 to
Well,
5?
I have it written down.
Oh, you haven't. Okay, let me just try to display that.
You heard me?
Is there on your screen?
Well, I
Pavala,
was telling you I have it written down.
you have.
Pavala,
Mm,
Mosi,
mm,
Zole, Tatu,
mm,
Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia,
mm,
Nana, Wa,
mm.
Kumi.
Well done. And by heart, can you?
Oh man.
That's the question. Can you try?
Can I?
Pavala. Uh,
Mm,
don't look at your notes. Just Pavala to
oh,
5 at least.
oh, okay.
Pavala.
Damn. I remember.
Be honest to yourself. Pavala.
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 I
Mosi.
remember Tanu,
Mosi.
Nana, Kumi, Wa,
Oh, that's good.
Samwadia,
Yeah.
Zoli.
Okay, well. Good memory. Now, in order, let's put in order. Go Pavala. We got Pavala, Mosi,
Pavala,
Mosi,
Mosi,
Zole,
Zoli,
Zole, Tatu, Ya,
Tatu, Ya,
Tanu,
Tanu,
Sambanu,
Sambanu,
Sambwadia,
Samwadia,
Nana,
Nana,
Voi,
Wa,
Kumi.
Kumi. Okay,
Tata,
that's a nice.
Audrey, can you type? Okay, another chance is there. Another chance there. Voilà. Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Va, Kumi. Over to you, brother. Pavala, yes, Pavala.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu. Wait,
yes,
no.
Yeah.
Is that
Good,
right?
good, good. Tatu, yeah. Tatu.
Tatu, Ya. Okay, that's
Tanu,
Tanu,
Sambanu.
Sambanu, Sambuadia,
Well done. Nana.
Voi. Oh man, and Kumi.
Kumi, yes.
Oh man, that's.
Let's see in Los Angeles at Derby who is going to win. Okay, sister.
Okay, Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu,
yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia,
Well done.
Nana, Voi, Kumi.
Well done. Bravo. So 1-1, yeah. 1-1. It is a draw. Good turn, Dele. Okay, it's here. Okay, we move into tens. I mean, you don't need to remember everything, but basically you need to memorize to remember.
Oh, just give me like 10 seconds with that. With the just because I was trying
to. Don't worry, copying. I'm going to send you the file.
Okay.
We move into tens. Just remember your units. If you're fine, if you're well with the units, it should be easy. Tens. Just to repeat. Okay. Take note. Up to 60. The pattern. I mean.
So I can't see the first word. What is that?
It is Kumi, the first word.
Kumi, I think. Kumi is 10.
It is the machine. They put the logo. I mean.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, your.
Makumole.
Remember, let me just try to. That's my pointer. Kumi, 10, of course. Makumole, just a mole. Remember Zole? Here we have mole. Zole, free. Tatu is there. Ya is there. Tanu is there. Sambanu. Can you see my screen? Yes? Are you okay?
Yes.
But 10s are it is easy. Kumi is your 10, of course. Then Maku Mole. I mean, you have a hyphen here, but you don't write it like this. This you can just write in one word. As one word, Maku Mole. Maku Mole. Maku means. I mean, I may be wrong, but basically, Maku means many Kumi. Yes, Kumi is 10. Yes. So When we say
Okay.
makumole, we mean kumi 10 times 2. Okay? Makumole, makuma tatu, makuma ya, makuma tanu, makuma sambanu. Question.
Wait, I have a question.
Go ahead, sister.
So, makumole. I thought Zole was 2.
It is, but in this case, we don't use the Z here. We just use M. Makumole.
Okay.
Yes. Because it rhymes. I mean, this is Kikongo. Mole rhymes with M here. Makumole.
Okay.
Rhymes with M, yes. Kumi to 60, sister. Can you read, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Kume, makumole, maku matatu, maku maya, maku matanu, maku masambanu.
Wow, bravo, well done. Thank you, Mama. Kuma Samba, Tutondele. Brother Audrey, can you try, please?
Are you call me?
Yes, please. 10 to 60, please.
Kumi, maku mole, maku matatu, maku maya, maku matanu, maku masambanu.
Makuma Samba, well done. Yeah, remember your units are there. This is Zole, we read Mole. Tatu free, remember?
Right.
Yeah. Basically,
Ya,
you're adding.
tanu.
Yeah, you're just adding your prefix, then makuma, something, makuma tatu, makuma ya, makuma tanu, yes?
Yes.
Oh, nengo tedi. Yeah. Oh, sorry, nengo tedi. Back. Yes.
I was struggling to
Where were we?
connect, but I'm back again.
This is. Where are we? Yes. Tata Kwasi, are you there? Can you try to read, please?
Try to read.
Yeah, from 10 to
Kumi.
60.
Yeah. Kumi, makumole, makumatatu, makumaya, makumatanu, makumasambanu.
Well done, bravo. Remember, let me say it again. The most important thing is you must remember your units, because here just a repetition. Remember, tens, your prefix is maku, 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 up to 60. Be careful, take note. Up to 60, your prefix is maku, maku, kumi, makumole, zole hidden there, makuma tatu, makuma ya, makuma tanu, makuma sambano. I'm going to tell you, please. I know it's a repetition to you.
Oh, then do some board.
No. Up to 10, from 10 to 60.
Oh, you want me to read? Okay.
Please.
Kumi, makumole, makumatatu, makumaya, makumatanu, makumasamba.
Thank you very much. Just remember makuma something. Makuma, your units. Makuma. I'm going to remove my screen. Can I remove? Ready? Makum. Just remember makuma something. Then makuma. Then your units. Makuma. Makumole. Makuma. Tatu. Makuma ya.
Wait, I don't understand.
Sorry?
I don't understand. Are you saying that when you get to 70, you say makuma?
Yeah, we don't worry, don't we move in there, so don't worry, sister. Just make sure we master this one, yes.
Okay.
Up to 6 we got maku, but from 70 the prefix is not maku, it's lu. From 70.
Oh, okay.
The prefix is not the same. The rest is same, but just we'll change the prefix. Can I move it? Yeah, let me try to test you. You are brave people.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay. Kumi, makuma, maku, something, makuma, something, makuma, something. Yes. Kumi, makuma, something. Tata, Audrey, please.
Okay.
10,
Kumi.
10, yes.
Yeah, Kumi. Maku mole,
Well done.
Maku.
Makuma.
So don't
No,
say Maku.
No, you're doing well. You're doing. I'm trying to help. You're doing well.
Okay.
Makumole, carry on.
Maku, Matatu,
Well done.
Maku, Maya,
Yes.
Maku, what is it? Matanu, Maku, Nsambanu.
Well done, Makuma Saman. Bravo. Yes. Tutondele. Tata Kwasi, please. From Kumi.
Me?
Yes, please. From Kumi.
Kumi. Maku Mole. Maku Maya.
Matatu.
Maku Matanu. How much was that? Maku Masambanu.
Well done. Okay.
I missed out one. Right.
Never mind. Makumole, Makuma Tatu, Makuma Ya, Makuma Tanu, Makuma Sambanu. Yeah. Sister Countess, you done, yes?
Okay. Kume, Makumole, Maku Matatu, Makumaya, Maku Matanu, Maku Masambu. No, Masambanu.
Yeah, well done. Makuma Sambanu. Yes. Let me just display it again. Makumole, Makuma Tanu, Makuma Ya, Makuma Sambanu. Makuma Sambanu. Yes. Up to 60, we have a Maku prefix.
Excuse me.
From 70, are you okay, brother? From 70,
yes.
From 70, you just move.
Do some word.
Yes. Yes. Prefix as LU. Lusambwadia. Lunana. Luvwa. 100 is Kama. Kama is 100. Lusambwadia. Lunana. Luvwa. Kama. Can you read Tata Kwasi, please?
Lusambwadia, 70. Lunana, 80. Luvwa, 90.
Tutondele.
Lutondele.
I'm saying thank you. Nengwakanes, over to you, please, sister.
Okay. Lusambwadia, Lunana, Luvwa.
Yes, then Kama. Kama is 100. Kama.
Kama.
We move in that soon. Kama is your 100.
Kama.
Kama. Kikongo is hard to, tonal language. It's very hard. Kama is 100. Kama is a barrier.
Kama.
Okay.
Okay, new comma, 100.
Kama. No,
Kama.
Kama is 100.
So
Kama is 100.
So it's Kama.
Nkama, yeah, Kama, 100.
Nkama, okay.
Somebody, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Kama, bottom left, yes. Somebody, Lunana, Luvwa. You know, as long as you know your units, should be okay. Just change the prefix from Maku to LU, Lu. I'm going to remove it, yes. It was from 70 to Kama, 100. That's a question, please.
The numbers?
Please, from 70, Kikongo, please, to 100. Your prefix LU, your prefix
Lusambwadia. Yeah, Lusambwadia.
Yeah, please go, carry on, please.
Lunana. 80.
Yes.
Luvwa.
Yeah, bravo.
90.
Then Kama.
Kama. 100.
Yeah, bravo.
Kama.
Tata Adria. 70 to
Lu Sambodia,
somebody. Yeah.
Sambodia, 70, Lunana, 80,
Yeah.
Louvois, 90, Nakama,
Kama. 100. Yeah.
Kama, 100.
Yeah, bravo, sister. Lingua Candace, please.
Lusamboadia 70, Lunana 80, Louvois 90, Nkama 100.
Wow. Yeah, these are good students, yeah? Very good. From Maku, 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 Maku up to 60, you change your prefix. We move it to 100. 100 is the easiest one. 100, very easy. Oh, sister's gone. 100s are very easy. Kama, of course, you're 100. Then Kamazole, Kamatatu, so on. Sister's back. Yes, hundreds are very easy, sister Candace.
Oh,
Kama.
Kama 100, Kama Zole 200, Kama Tatu 300, Kama Ya 400, Kama Tatu 500, Kama Sambanu 600, Nkama Samwadia 700, Nkama Nana 800, Nkama Wa 900, Funda
Dimosi, yes.
Funda Dimosi 1000.
Yeah, you could say Funda. Funda is fine. Yeah? Funda means 1,000. Yes, Funda. Yeah, Funda means 1,000. Funda Dimosi means 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah, 1,000.
Funda Dimosi.
Yes. Remember, I think you know your number. Mosi, 1. Yes, remember 1.
Yes.
Mosi, yes. Funda Dimosi. In Kikongo, that's why many Africans don't know that. I mean, many people don't know that. Kikongo precedes Latin, I mean, let alone other French, Portuguese. So, remember in Italian, when you say Leonardo is it Da Vinci? I mean, we have a D, something. We have this in Kikongo. Funda Dimosi, Funda, translation hard, Funda of 1. Then what I do, yes?
Yes.
This is the D in Kikongo, yes. Kamazole, Tata Audrey, please. Come from Kama to Funda, please. Oh, you're on mute. You're on mute.
Oh,
Please.
okay. In Kama, 100.
Be careful, brother. You don't read N. Sorry, you don't read N. N is there for your nasal. Kama. That's why you say Kama.
Okay.
You don't say Kama. You say Kama because of N.
Okay.
You don't read N. You don't read N Kama. No, Kama, please.
Okay. Kama 100. Kama Zole 200. Kama Tatu 300. Kama Ya 400. Kama Tanu 500. Kama Sambanu 600. Kama Nsambudia 700. Sambuadia 700. Kamu Nana 800. Kama Bua 900. What is that? Funda Dimosi 1,000.
You could just good. Father, you could just say Funda. Thank you very much. Be careful now. Be careful. I'm just going to remove it for 1 second and see how you're doing. But it is this one the easiest one. I couldn't be. I mean, 100 is it's easy because there's Kama, then you have your unit. Tanta Kwasi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
From 100 to Funda being 1,000. from Kama, please.
Kama, Kama Zole, Kama Tatu, Kama Ya, Kama Tatu,
Mm.
Kama Sambanu, Kama.
Kama
Sorry,
Kama Sambanu.
Kama
Kama Sambanu.
Sambanu,
Carry on, please.
Kama Sambwadia, Kama Nana, Kama Vwa, Funda Dimosi.
Well done, Funda. Yes. Any volunteer? Who's next?
I'll try.
Well done. Yeah. Remember, okay, before you say that, remember what you know what? Congo Kingdom. Sorry. Let me say it again. Congo Kingdom was founded by 4 ladies. Yeah, take note, very important. Yes, that's how they did you hear that?
You said Congo. Wait, say the Congo Kingdom was founded by who?
Congo Kingdom. Sorry, was founded by 4 ladies.
All ladies plural?
4 ladies. From historians say that they say that is between 8 and 11 centuries. Yes. So we are pro ladies. Yeah. Bravo. Sorry, bro, sister. Go ahead. Come on.
Okay. Kama 100, Kama Zole 200, Kama Tatu 300, Kama Ya 400, Kama Tanu 500, Kama Sambanu 600, Kama Sambwadia 700, Kama Nanu 800, Kama Vwa 900, Funda Dimosi 1000.
Hey, bravo, well done, Funda. Funda comes from, okay, I can't remember now. It's like a park, big park, load, yes? Load, yes. Remember, the same mega, if you look back, the original words, the meaning, always come from some object. That audio, please. From Kama.
Kama 100, in Kama Zole 200, in Kama Tatu 300.
You don't need to.
I mean, that's right. Yeah, Kama Tat. Yeah,
Yeah.
Kama Tatu 300, Kama Ya 400, Kama Tanu 500, Kama Sambanu
Well done.
600, Kama Sambudia 700, Sambwadia. Thank you. I appreciate it. Kama Nana.
Nana.
What's that? 900?
Yes.
800. Kama Vua 900 and Funda. Yeah.
Funda di Mose. Funda. Thank you. Wow,
Funda
bravo.
di Mose.
Yeah, Funda. Yes. Okay. Well done. You don't need to memorize everything. But just quickly, just for going for thousands, same pattern. Mafunda. Man. Sorry?
You going up, huh? Okay.
No, don't want. You don't need to memorize this. Just we're going to read this together. We have a Funda. Mafunda Tanu. Mafunda Tanu, see? Mafunda Tanu. Many yeah. Funda Tanu. Mafunda Kumi. Yes. And so on. Mafunda Makuma Tanu. Don't worry about that.
Okay, so then, this will be sent to us, right? Or
sorry?
This will be sent to us, the numbers?
I'm going to send you the file, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 million, yes.
Man.
Kiasi kama funda. Remember funda is your from father and you have your funda, yeah? Funda.
Can you go back to the previous slide? I just
This
wanted to
one.
write it down. Well, the one that had, yeah. No. It had Funda Dimosi, Funda
Yeah, I'm going
something
to,
else.
don't worry, sister, I'm going to send you the file. I have a PDF file. I'm sending you the file. Yes. Funda, yes.
Is Funa ye Kamatanu ye Makumatanu one thing?
Yeah, I mean, you know your 100, you know your tens. This is easy. Don't memorize anything here. Don't worry. But I'm going to test your knowledge now. I'm leaving this there. Sorry? Who can say 220? 220. Your answer is there.
Kamazole.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Between you,
Oh,
you say yeah.
Kamazole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The most.
Kumi? I don't know.
220.
Is it Nkama Zule ye Makumole?
Well, then remember tens, you have a maku, your prefix, yes? Sister?
Okay, so Kamazole, yeah. Maku Zole.
Makumole.
Okay.
Makumole.
Makumole. Okay, right.
Yeah. We say makumole because ma goes with ma. Ma mole. Maku mole.
Okay.
It rhymes. Yeah, that's Kikongo, yes. So, everything is there. 660. Brother. Tata Audrey, please.
Man, 660.
Everything is there. Don't worry. You have your 100. You have on very bottom. See on very bottom. Can you see the screen? The very bottom. You have your tens. Don't worry.
Kama Sambanu.
Yeah.
Funda.
Yeah. Between 100, you have Kama Sambanu. Yeah. For your unit. Your
Kama Sambanu.
Yeah.
Ye. Demosi. I mean Funda.
No. 660. Yeah. Maku something.
Okay. Oh man, I'm trying to do it out of
There.
memory.
Don't worry. It's there. Can you see the very bottom? Everything is there.
Kama Sambanu.
Yeah.
Yay.
Maku.
Oh yeah, right. Maku Sambanu.
Makuma Samban, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Any question on this? Any question?
It's a little tricky.
Okay. Nengwagan is over to you. 770. Everything is there. Just look at the very bottom.
Okay. Kama Sambwadia, Ye.
Well done. Maku.
Maku.
Sorry, no, sorry, I'm wrong. We changed the prefix here. It's 70.
So Kama Sambwadia, Ye.
Lusambwadia.
What?
Yeah, Lusambwadia. See on the screen? Can you see on the screen? This is your 70.
Oh, Lusambwadia. Okay.
Yeah,
I don't understand why it's Lusambwadia though. That's confusing.
Sorry.
Oh no, yeah. I see. Okay, so it's Kama Lusambwadia. Yeah.
Kama Sambwadia ye Lusambwadia.
Okay, Kama Sambwadia ye Lusambwadia.
Yeah, remember these are tens. Can you see these are tens? Yeah, very bottom. These are your tens. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any question we're done for today? Thank you very much.
Tutondele.
Let me just remove
Tutondele.
Yes.
Tutondele.
Then what are your questions?
No, I don't have any question.
Okay. Okay, tutondele lwenda kyambote.
Sala Kiambo.
Sala
You sound like
Kimbote.
Kimbote.
Tutondele, bye.
Ekietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongele meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Keno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi kongo jatungwa Keno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Keno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi kongo jatungwa
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade.